Okay, today we're about to do the replace the radio on 2005 Dodge Durango. First of all, we have to use the angle adapter to unscrew on the bottom, at the bottom, to screw, and then fly up from the top, pop it out. Then put it on the side. And then remove all the harness. So all you have to do is push the clip and then eject it. Here, here, and here. And this is antenna. So we're about to install Soundstream doubled in using CDK 650 CR6 and then an interface AXTO-CH1 because this car has an infinite system, so instead of bypassing it, we're using interface. Okay, comes with the remote and wire harness. So I'm just gonna assemble the dash kit. So just unscrew it, two screw. So we're gonna put the side bracket here. And here. And like that. And then just put the screw on the side. 4 screw. So now we're gonna do the assemble the wire for the interface. So that's the interface we're using. Okay, so we're gonna use a white cap. Another wire harness. Then you just matching the color and hook it up. Ignition wire. So there's a one ignition here and here. So which is, this one is for the steering wheel control if you have a steering wheel control in your car. But I'm just gonna hook it up anyways, even this one doesn't have a steering wheel control. Okay, this one has a two set of white speaker wire. So I'm gonna hook it up all together, all 3 of them. And then another 2 set of a gray wire here and here. And purple and the rear speaker, purple and green. That one only have a 1 set. And then this radio has a parking brake, is pink. You're gonna hook it up with the black together, so you can bypass it or you can watch it while you're driving for the DVD. If you don't want to watch it while you're driving, you have to hook up to the parking brake. Okay, one ground wire from the house. Just to have a one. And then the remote wire. Hook it up with a white stripe. And then there's another one on the other wire harness. Put that together. Yeah, illumination, they don't have it there, but when you illumination dimmer. So I'm just gonna discard all the wires that we're not using. So I'm just gonna do one by one to discard. Okay, now we're gonna plug one with this. And then this, you see right there, the blue knob right there, that's for the level control for your factory amp. So I'll show you when I do the installation. And then the other one, the smaller, this one is for the steering wheel control. I use a wire tie. Okay, so we're gonna just plug your wire harness, and then an antenna adapter. So we're gonna test the radio before we screw back in. Everything works. So the antenna wire, the wire harness. Then let's see. Sound come out. Radio works.
Welcome to the new wave of clothing.
Okay, DVD works.
Street Wars clothing. Bring you the latest in urban streetwear.
Eject that CD.
Before she leave, I'ma need my shirt back.
And then let me tell you about the adjustment over here for your factory wire. So clockwise, increase the sound. Turn it clockwise, turn it down, and turn it down the factory. And then when you turn it up, open the door to shut off. Okay. All set. Thank you for watching.